Migao marango weche mag Afrika ma ugwe oyango ni gichano yao chiro mibiro tigodo kod oganda mawuok e pinje mantiere bwo riwruok mar EAC. Chiro no midendo ni Jumuiya Cross Border Market ibiro gere boma ma Busia kendo igeno ni obiro chwalo ohala ma chik opuodho e kind jo ohala ma pachoka kaachiel kod jo ohala mawuok e pinje magin jokanyo mag riwruok mar EAC. Jagoro mongirore migao mar tudruok e pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe Abdi Dubat olero ni chiro no ibiro gere eka 40 mar lo ma oseket tenge ka budget mar chiro nen siling ma ok tin ne bilion 1.5.
We are in the process of mobilizing funds for the Jumuiya cross-border market. This is a market concept that we've been looking at as a ministry, and we've gotten a lot of help from development partners, specifically the Trademark Africa. We started this process in 2019. Busia was identified as the first market location. We are looking at other cross-border, we are looking at other one-stop border posts as well. So in Busia, we've already done the public participation. We've had conversations with all levels of stakeholders, including the government and the people. We have identified a 40-acre land, and that land has already been given to the ministry. So as I had mentioned in my statement, we're in the process of mobilizing funds so that we can start the construction. We do not have timelines right now, but we are looking at soonest.